How to send to multiple recipients in DocuSign. So first, let's say we're in the homepage of DocuSign, right? So here, you just need to click on Start. Then you'll start creating an envelope. Now once you're here, you just need to upload your file. So let's say you can start, or you can use a template if you want, or since this is just a test, I'm going to upload mine. Say this one. This is just a blank document since this is just a tutorial. And then you can just click on Add Recipients here. And here you just need to add your recipient. So let's say I'm going to add test here. I'm going to type in test as the name and then test@gmail.com as their email. Okay, now here you can keep adding a recipient to send to multiple recipients here. So I'm just going to add test here, and as you can see now I'm sending the this document here to 3 multiple recipients. Okay, here just click on add message here. Now you just need to type in your email subject, your email message, and then you can just select your envelope type. So let's say this is an NDA. You can do that. Just select it here, and then you just click on next here at the bottom. And then here, since I've uploaded a blank document, you can see nothing here. But since if you uploaded something where it has something in it, you can see it here. And then you can just add a signature here to where they can sign the document. And you can also add things here, other fields. And then once you're done customizing your document here, you can just click on send and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.